Assalamu alaikum once again to English with Isar. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English with Isar once again. Today is the fifth lecture of Sound of Letters. And today we will study from letter P. Before I start my lecture, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Do share, do like, support us, and inshallah we will provide you a good content. Okay. The letter P gives the sound of pa. P हमारे साथ पा का साउंड देता है. किस चीज़ का साउंड देता है? पा. Example: pagan, pilot, police, poor, power. So P gives the sound of pa. After that is Q. So the letter Q gives the sound of ka and qa. Queen, qaid, quail, question, quick, okay, quack. And also there's a lot of example of Q to be discussed, but I have discussed some of them. Okay. After that, that is R. The letter R gives the sound of ra. Rise, rose, road, riyaz, real. So that is R. You should remember that R gives us the sound of ra. Whenever you see R, it will give us the sound of ra. Okay. Revolution, reality, reconstruction, reduction. There are a lot of letters that begin and end, and it may be in between the other letter, and this letter is my letter. My name is Riaz, so this is also my letter. Or S. So the letter S gives us the sound of za and sa. The example of sa is sun, sweet, soup, and this is the example of za, rise, Sara is an example of sa, summer. There are a lot of example of s that give us the sound of za. आप अगर यहाँ देखें ना तो जो सा है वो हमारे साथ दो साउंड्स देते हैं, दो आवाज़ें देते हैं, एक सीन के और एक जा. So sometime it give us za sound. The sa s give us the sound of za, like in rise. Okay, and there are many examples. After that, the letter T. The letter T gives us the sound of ta and ta. Ta and ta. Title, tiger, tear, tamir, tomato, tension, tableau, okay, table. There are a lot of example of ta and ta. Okay. The letter U. The letter U gives us the sound of U. Yeah, it is give us a sound of a. Yeah, ain. Yeah, sound of u. Okay. So umbrella. It gives us a sound of a. Umbrella. Upper. Usman. Okay. Upset. Uniform. You. यहाँ हमारे साथ U का साउंड देता है, यूनिफॉर्म. After this, the letter V. The letter V gives the sound of wow, voice, win, wit, was, vegetable. Okay, these are example of V. Wa. And it also give a sound of va, 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 va. But this letter is not present in Urdu, so that's why I haven't write it. The letter W gives us the sound of W also, and it may be sometime it is a silent word, like and right, like and right, heel, water, window, wallet, watch, watch. The letter X gives us the sound of za, seen, axe, so X-ray, xylophone, zero fights, fox, axe. Okay, this is the example of X. The letter Y gives us the sound of ya, yum, york, yellow, yielding, also york, yuch. So this is the example of ya. Okay, and the last letter is the letter z. It is also called Z, and it is also called Z. So it gives us a sound of za and the. Zoo, zed, zero, zebra, zigzag. Okay, this was about English alphabet, and after this lecture I will provide you some blender words, consonant clusters that two letter combine and give someone sound, like ch give us the sound of cha and ka. Okay, sh give us the sound of sha. And the next video, inshallah, I will make this video about this video. Okay, if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe and visit our Facebook and Insta and TikTok website. Otherwise, you can learn more about English literature, English language, and speak English.